Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty meets expert insight. Have you ever wished for a foundation that promises full coverage, durability, and even works for both your face and body? Well, Estee Lauder's Double Wear 24-Hour Maximum Cover Camouflage Foundation could be the answer you've been searching for. This foundation is a liquid formula designed to provide full coverage while offering a matte finish. With SPF 15, it offers protection from the sun while keeping your skin hydrated and long-lasting throughout the day. It's ideal for various skin types, including combination, dry, and oily skin. The shade I'm reviewing is 2C5 Creamy Tan, a light medium shade with rosy undertones, which works great for those with a similar skin tone. The versatility of this foundation is truly remarkable, as it can be used not only on the face, but also to camouflage tattoos and scars on the body. In terms of texture, the formula is smooth and glides onto the skin easily. It blends seamlessly, providing a flawless finish. The coverage is undeniably full, so if you're someone who struggles with acne scars or discoloration, this might be your go-to product. Even in high coverage formulas, there's often a risk of feeling heavy or cakey, but surprisingly, this one maintains a lightweight feel. I tested this product during my daily routine, both for a typical workday and for a night out. The longevity is impressive. It holds up well for 12+ hours without budging, which is a huge plus for anyone looking for a reliable long-wear foundation. One of the standout features for me was the hydration factor. Even though it delivers a matte finish, it doesn't dry out the skin, which is often a concern with full coverage foundations. This one seems to strike a good balance. On the flip side, if you're someone who prefers a dewy or natural finish, this might feel a little too matte for your taste. It's also important to note that while the formula is buildable, layering it too much can start to feel a bit heavy. If you have a more textured skin surface, it might highlight some dry patches, so make sure to prep your skin properly beforehand. When it comes to value, Estee Lauder is certainly a premium brand, and the price reflects that. But for those who need long-lasting, full coverage that works for both face and body, the price could be justified. The 1.00 Fel Ounce bottle goes a long way. A little product goes a long way, which helps with longevity in both the product and your wallet. Looking at alternatives, there are a few foundations out there that also claim to deliver full coverage, like the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation or the Tarte Shape Tape Foundation. However, neither can quite match the versatility of this product when it comes to covering both face and body with one formula. If you're willing to invest in a high-quality product that guarantees full coverage and lasts all day, Estee Lauder's Double Wear might just be the right choice. The packaging is solid and the bottle is durable, though it would have been nice to see a pump for easier application. But overall, the quality is evident. From the formulation to the build, this product lives up to the Estee Lauder name. In terms of customer support, Estee Lauder has a solid reputation for handling inquiries efficiently, though I personally haven't needed to contact them yet. As for updates, there haven't been any notable changes to the product, and that's not necessarily a bad thing. Sometimes the original formula is the best. If you're considering alternatives but still want that premium feel and long-lasting coverage, there are options, but this foundation really holds its own in terms of what it promises. In summary, the Estee Lauder Double Wear 24-Hour Maximum Cover Camouflage Foundation is a fantastic option for anyone looking for a high-performance, full-coverage foundation with a matte finish. If you're someone who struggles with scars, tattoos, or needs that extra coverage for a flawless look, this is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us continue to bring you honest reviews. Thank you for watching, and as always, if you've tried this product, drop a comment below and share your thoughts with us. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.